Kia ora, kumusta, and welcome again to our advanced Java programming tutorial. And today we're going to do our programming exercise 3 for our subject under Engineer Nelson Viernes. And the general requirements for this program is to create a GUI application that will allow the users to take a multiple choice quiz. The quiz must contain at least 5 IT related questions, and each question must have 3 choices. At the end of the quiz, your program must display the following items: name of the user, number of correct items, number of incorrect items, and the date it was taken. Your program should prompt the user whether he/she wants to try again or just end the program. So here's the sample output. Enter name, E or S to start or exit. And the question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the prompt. And then I'm going to add another question here if the user wants to try again or not. So let's proceed to our IntelliJ IDEA, and then view, and then presentation mode, so you can see here. And I think it's better for me to code everything first before I have to explain, because I had this experience a while ago. I recorded and it did not record properly, so I'm doing it all over again. And by the way, I've thought about this code for about 12 hours, as you can see, 12 hours and 53 minutes in total. So let's proceed. Oh, I forgot. So I try to exit there, and I try to start and try to answer everything correct. Oh, I got something wrong. And then if you ask me, do you want to try again? I'll press this. Mark up language. Strap. Mr. Blue. Dual. Okay, I think I have said something wrong here. Let's try to correct it later. Now let's just test here if I want to try again or not. So I press it and it will exit the program. So let's go back to the questions and check if we played something wrong. Should be Mr. Blue. Should be a CSS framework. Should be a markup language. No, programming. Where did I go wrong? Correct items plus okay, let's try to see where did we go wrong. Question 1, Q1, A. Correct. Question 2, I2, B. Question 3. Bootstrap is a CSS framework. Correct. Question number 4. Listed look should be A. also A. Initialization 0. Tama naman. So let's run again. Oh man! In here we have to import G option pane and of course time, because we're going to get the local date now. So let's go on with the code. So when the user enters the program, it will be prompted with a question: get the name of the user, and it will store, and it will also get the local date and store it in date now. And then we initialized and declared character values for the responses if the user wanted to restart the program or start answering questions. So there are two prompts for those. So here the program will ask the user if he wants to start or exit right away. And then it will store the response to get response SE. So this code means anything that is inputted by the user, any string inputted by the user, will be converted to a character. Okay? And it will be stored to a character variable, but it will only get the initial value placed. Okay? Now I use a conditional loop. While everything was true, I declared and initialized correct items and wrong items to 0. And then when the user placed the Y to the question, where is it? Yeah. If the program will ask the user if he wants to continue or not, and if the user answered Y, then he will do the following code. And then there's another one asking the user if he wants to start the program or not. Okay, so once the user press start, he will be displayed with these questions, and if he gets the correct answer, the correct items variable will increment by 1, and if it's wrong, the wrong items will increment by 1. So I just copy pasted those and make sure that your arguments are right. And then at the end of the questions, the program will display the results, which is the name, correct items, wrong items, and date now. So then the program will ask if he wants to try again, and if he presses yes or no, it will be restored to the response. Get response character, and if you look at where the curly braces are in this block of code is under this one. Okay, now here, if the user chose no, the system will exit just by typing system.exit 0. It will close the application. And this continue is for the conditional loop. You can see it's inside this one. Okay, while true, it will continue, right? And then another else statement for if you want to continue, and if the answer is no, then it will probably insert this one and it will automatically shut down the program, and then this ends the loop. So thank you so much for watching. Actually, this is my third recording, and I'm sorry. God bless, and see you in the next video.